Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on First Premier Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in firstpremier.com and press enter. This will now take you into the First Premier Bank official website. Now from the homepage, you will see the access your account option. Click on the select account type drop-down menu and then click on a credit card. Then click on the login button and this will take you into the login portal for your credit card. Now within the login page, you can enter your username and your password that you have set up while creating your account in the first place, and then click on the login button to proceed forward. Once you log into your account, you will be taken into your credit card page from which you can proceed forward with canceling your credit card. If you don't find this option, then from the home page, click on customer care at the top section and now you will find the credit card customer's number. Go ahead and call this number and simply tell them that you wish to cancel your credit card. You will then be provided with the instructions that you can follow by the customer care team, through which you can cancel your credit card for First Premier Bank. And there you have it. That is how you can go forward with canceling your credit card for First Premier Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.